I got a... Is this a fish or is it? Yep, it's a fish. I got a fish stuffed animal. And I got a... Nope. So it's granddaughter. As the years go by, you grow more special. Happy Valentine's Day. Love, Poppy. Love from Gigi. Not making a cup. These are really stuck in me. Let me get the other one. And I got
Chocolate?
and another heart.
Yeah, I think it's chocolate.
Yep, it's chocolate. I did there too. Let's see this what this is. Let me get it out for you. This is really stuck. Yeah, before it pulls open. Thank you, Mommy. Whoa. It's a gem. It's a necklace. It's like a whistle necklace. With a... I think that's a monkey. I think that's a monkey. Let me see the monkey. It's kind of like the quacker one we had. And a Sophia one. I like Sophia. Pocket tissues. I like Sophia though. Another box of chocolate. Wow. I got an iguana. Another cookie card. And then some chocolate. He's a cookie though. Yep, he's an iguana. Aww. Some more chocolate. Chocolate. Yeah, I got it more. Sunglasses.
Cool.
Can I open mine?
Hold on, Matilda's almost done.
Those are even 3D. I got some. It's a puzzle. Yep. Some beats.
I don't know, are they pins?
Pins.
Cool.
They're all Valentine pins. Yeah. Glitter art has, and I cannot read that. I'm bad at reading cursive.
I think it's just glitter art. The other one is not in English.
Okay. Coral Reef coloring book. Milky Way. I like Milky Way. Thank you. Your turn, yeah. Oh no, it's a puzzle game. A bad bit, but this wanted.
You wanted that? Good.
And Kickles. And oh, what's in the cup? Glasses. Here, hold these.
Is that Silly Putty, Amelia?
Sophia. And Putty. Here. And some more chocolate and cookie guy. A cookie king. Hey, Matilda, I got a cookie king. Hey, look. Wow. Hey, Matilda, I got a cookie king. Yep. Wow. Some kabam. Those are cookies. Cookies. And oh, yeah, we have some too.
Cool.
Some Milky Ways.
Is that your favorite candy?
Yeah. And chocolate and sunglasses and some more chocolate. And then open up your card. Here, I'll read it to you, okay? Here, now reach me out. I'll read it. I'm going to read this to you, man. Come on. Listen. Here's a Valentine. Whoa, just one thing to do. And that's to say a nice, little, a girl sweetie as you. Love, Poppy. I love you, Gigi. Hey, let's
Amelia,
go.
can you say thank you to Gigi and Poppy?
Mhm.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say happy Valentine's Day.
Happy